Today, I am diving into the art of Jamaica tradition with a refreshing recipe you will absolutely love. The classic Jamaican Sorrel Drink. Perfect for the holidays and any other day. If you are craving a taste of the Caribbean, let's get started. So here I put some water to boil on the stove and I am going to add some ginger and cinnamon. The magic is all about sorrel. This is also known as hibiscus. These dry petals are packed with flavor and a vibrant ruby red color, guys. I wash my sorrel and I pour it in the water to extract all the goodness, giving the drink its signature. I am going to allow it to boil for 2 minutes before I turn off my stove. Then I am going to let it sit and cool before I go ahead and strain it. Oh my goodness, look at that. The color is looking amazing and it is smelling so delicious, guys. You should definitely try this. Once it is cool, I am going to go ahead and strain my sorrel drink. I am going to use some white rum. So I am going to put about a cupful of white rum into my sorrel drink. This is optional. You do not have to put rum in there, but trust me, it give it a nice flavor. Maybe you can try a little before you put it to your entire drink, but you will not be disappointed with adding a little rum. Also, I had about a teaspoon of vanilla. This is also optional. You do not have to add vanilla, but it also give it a nice flavor. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some sugar to just sweeten my drink. And here you have it, guys, our fresh Jamaican sorrel. Let me know if you are going to give this a try in the comment section. Also, when you give it a try, let me know how it turns out for you. Guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate the love and support. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So I'm going to show you how I bought this sorrel. So here, if you have Amazon, you're going to go on Amazon, type Jamaican sorrel, and I purchased 2 packs. That is for $24, but with tax, it's going to be about $27. It takes about 2 days to be delivered to me, depending if you have Prime. So once you have Prime, it will come faster. Yes, it has a very lot of good review. The only bad review that I saw was that it was too expensive. Probably it is, but trust me, it is worth it. So you can go over to Amazon and give it a try. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.